In this tutorial, let's create text reveal animation in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. Alright, so we are in the edit tab. So without dragging any clip or effect, let's go in the Fusion. First of all, what we have to do is click on text. So we'll get this node, text 1 and media out. So in text 1, first of all, change the font to Montserrat Black. Montserrat Black. Type your text and increase the size. This much is enough. And in this box, right click and select follow up. Alright, so you can see the modifiers. Click on modifiers, go in the shading. So my timeline is 24 frames per second. So I will take half of second, which is 12 frames. I will make a keyframe on opacity and I will come down to position and make a keyframe on offset XY. So don't get confused when this path 1 opens. Double click on follower 1. You will get back to your options. So we have our keyframes. So now let's go in the timing and set order to left to right and delay to 2. So let's go back in shading and go on frame 0. In position, change the offset Y to minus 0.3 and change the opacity to 0. So we have got this kind of text reveal. Let's go in spline, check on text 1, click on zoom to fit, click anywhere here, Control A, right click, and in ease, select out cubic. So our animation will start fast and gradually it will become slow. So let's go in edit and see. Alright, so we have got this animation. So let's add a background to it. Drag this composition upwards and add a background. I will drag and drop the background which I had. Alright, so I will zoom this background. And I will go in the Fusion and change the color to black. This is text reveal animation in DaVinci Resolve. Add this text animation in your videos to make them more interesting. My name is Amir and I will see you in the next video.